This is my Lego combination lockbox. It took me like an hour to build. And it's similar to my other ones. I have 3 of these types, but it's similar to it, but it doesn't have those right there. Mine actually has numbers on it, and this is locked right here. I turned on the light. Let me turn it off now. Okay, so this is locked, and so is this. So you have to enter it to, you have to turn the dial to 3, 1, and now it's unlocked. See? And you can like store stuff in there, and store quarter. And now you just put it back in there. There we go. Pull that, or you have to enter it back in. 3, 1. And then just turn it to a random combination on the dial, and it's locked again. That was it. Thanks for watching.